Gil, what's your message to men who often online ask for a cheap TRT clinic?
I don't know the word cheap. It's not in my lexicon. I don't ever use the word cheap in life. I don't want anything that's cheap. Cheap are things that are made out of plastic and break the day you buy them. Cheap reeks of low quality. Cheap is not a good word. Value is a better word. Everything has a value. We attach value to things based on the priority that we put in those things. And the higher the value, the higher the number. So you have to really assess what is the value of your health to you. And this isn't a double-edged sword question. I'm not here to knock someone who says, I don't value my health tremendously, because that's okay. It's an individual choice. It doesn't make you a bad person. But have a serious conversation with yourself and decide what is the value of feeling my best and optimizing my lifestyle and making sure that my health does not continue to go downhill as I age. What is the value of that? And if you say the value is low, then you seek a treatment option that is of low cost, or where it has a number that matches that priority for you. If you say that value is moderate to high, then you seek a option that has a moderate to high number attached to it, so that you can presumably get, we're assuming here that you're getting value for number, that you're going to get the right value and the right approach to what you're seeking. If all you're doing is shopping your health to the lowest bidder based on numbers, then please expect the lowest outcome.
Check out my TRT workout split or the ebook The Ultimate Guide to TRT Cream. Links to the merchandise shop in the description.